I saw this my brother several times, and I have opportunity to discuss with him what he has going through, what he has been through all this time as migrants who came from Africa due to the bad government of Africa and the situation in Africa. That is why this man came to Europe, and he's not finding it easy. So, first of all, before I go in details, you have to you have to hear from the horse's mouth. Um, please, what is your name?
My name is Masengo Serge.
Okay. Where you come from? Which country do you come from?
I come from Congo Brazzaville.
Okay. And how long have you been in Europe?
39 years.
Wow.
I
And
come Europe 1982.
which countries do you visit in Europe?
I visit France, I visit Belgium, I visit Switzerland, I visit Netherlands, Amsterdam, I stayed there. They have my fingerprint all the country where I speak now.
Why didn't they give you asylum paper?
They refuse now. When I go in the whole country, I apply, and the government every time refuse. So then every time they tell me to.
Okay, wait. Did you commit any crime
No, I
for
don't.
them
I
to
don't
refuse you asylum?
I don't commit the crime. When I go asylum, first thing they do like everybody, they take my fingerprint and they look for computer everything where I do. I don't commit crime.
And you never committed crime, and they refuse to give you papers.
Yeah.
And how old are you now?
Now I'm 65 years.
Okay, if you have a brother in Africa or anywhere in the world, will you encourage him to come to Europe to take an asylum?
No.
Without coming illegal to take asylum?
No.
Why?
I not do that because my situation, my condition here is no easy. I every time I'm homeless because I don't have document. You know, Europe if you don't have document, you know if you go social for us social money or social house. So every time I'm illegal homeless.
So, for somebody to be illegal in all these countries you talked about is a very serious situation because you don't have a shelter, you don't have a house, you don't have papers, and it makes your life miserable
Yeah.
up till now. And being an illegal person, you don't have paper, you cannot work.
You cannot work. Yeah.
You cannot work.
That is the law in Europe. You cannot work. You cannot. They cannot give you social money, social house.
Because you are illegal.
Yeah, because I'm illegal.
But when you were coming, did you fly? Or
I come illegal route from Mauritania, Morocco, Celia, Melita, Spanish, and then I come from Barcelona. I come France.
Okay. This is what we are talking about. That illegal means of coming to Europe is not an easy something. This is our brother. He has gone through a lot. He came all the way, all these countries he visited, but at the end of the day, he did not get any help from any government. But we are appealing to now. Now he is here and he's an aged man, about 65 years. I appeal to the government of Greece, right?
Yeah, Greece.
To see what they can do. To please, we are appealing to them even to get him a shelter and even to give him an asylum because sleeping in the streets he cannot go back due to the situation of things in the country, how things are getting hard, you know. Now look at the weather now, the snow is falling and the condition, climate, everything is very very harsh on the human being. People who are even sleeping in their rooms without heater, they are even shouting than somebody who sleeps outside. He's a human being like us, no matter the situation he's going through. That is why we are always telling people going through illegal means is not the ideal way. But he is here now. We are appealing to the government and all the authorities who can help one way or the other to provide a shelter and a paper so that he can be able to manage his remaining life. He's a human being like us. Once again, this is Daniel Agere. We keep on appealing to people, especially our brothers and the people who pass through Mediterranean Sea, who go through all these deserts, you know, finding their way to this place. That is not a very good one. People are suffering and people are dying.
Yeah.
on the road.
Yeah, for sea, no?
Yes, people are dying for sea or something like that. It's not a good person.
Many.
So, my brother, and for instance, now you don't have a telephone,
Yeah.
and
Then,
you don't have. How can we contact you if we can bring up something that
every
is going to
time
be good?
I'm here, for there where you see me, near school. This is a school for children.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we will keep on getting in touch with you. We'll see what we can do to help
Please.
this situation
Because-
because you are a human being like us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I come Europe 1982. It's a long time ago I come Europe.
Yes, and it's unfortunate that since '82 you have not done anything about your situation and you have not done anything about your papers. And I don't know why the authorities should reject your paper.
They can ask, no? France, they have, I have fingerprint for France, fingerprint for computer, police France. I have fingerprint in Zurich, Switzerland. I have fingerprint in Amsterdam. They know all my situation, so they can ask information. The police, French police go tell them, Switzerland police go tell them, and Holland police, they go give them any information about me because I applied for them.
That is why we are telling that now the coming through illegal means is not a very good one. When you come, they will make sure that you suffer.
Oh.
You know, you suffer before you get the documentation, if they give you at all. You understand? And this is why we are also crying for this, because a lot of people are in the same situation like you.
Yeah, I see. No, I speak and a lot of people, a lot of African. When I go Aristotle Park,
You speak.
yeah, I speak and a lot of people when I go Aristotle Park, I see many African. They have this problem like me. No, they don't have document. When they apply, then give them off for 6 months, and they don't have a situation. They don't have resident permit. They need resident permit. They need UN passport like me. So me, I don't have everything. I'm illegal now.
Okay. How do you feel now? How do you
Now
feel?
I go social restaurant. Many organizations they help me practice. They know me practice. They know me Irinis. This street where they give social food. They know me there. Every time I go there for food, they help me every time.
You see, this is what we are talking about. This is not a way of life. You know, when somebody is suffering from the poverty and the problem, the bad government in Africa, when he gets to Europe, it becomes worse. At the end of the day, this is why we, the African migrants crossing Mediterranean Sea, are making campaign against people coming through illegal routes. It's not a good one. It's not a good one because they are all like human beings. When they compare their situation, it's like when they are running from the wars and the trouble in Africa. When they come to Europe, they see the bad side of it. Once again, this is Daniel again. Keep on subscribing and we keep on bringing you the situation of African migrants in Europe. My brother, God bless you.
Thank you.
We will get in touch with you in a while and we will see what we do. Whenever you need, I told you last time, jackets, dresses, and every other thing. And I will make sure that I will find a way this week to see if I can get you a shelter where you can be sleeping. Then we will take care of the case to other authorities.
Thank you for help. I need help, you know. I'm tired. 65 years. I don't old.
Okay.
I need help.
Thank you. What's your name again?
Masengo Serge.
Masengo Serge.
Masengo Serge. Serge is a Christian name because
Okay.
I'm Christian.
Okay. Thank you once again.
Yeah,
God
thank
bless you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Bye.